Hello and welcome back to the XGENIA tutorial. Today we're diving into a crucial concept, reusable components. This is a fundamental principle of modern software engineering that lets us build scalable and maintainable applications. To start, let's click on the drop-down above and select Task Page. Click the plus sign next to the components heading on the left-hand panel. Select Visual Component from the drop-down menu, then name it Card Item and click Add. Select the group node in the editor and hit the Delete key to start with a clean slate. Go to the Task Page node graph and find the Card Item group node. We need to move this whole group and its contents into our new component. Select on the Card Item group and cut it with Ctrl X. Then navigate back to our new Card Item component and select it from the left-hand panel. Paste it with Ctrl V. Once you create a component, you can place an instance of it anywhere you need, and it will inherit all its properties and behaviors. Go back to the Task Page node graph. Right-click on the canvas to open the node search window. Search for Card Item and select it. Drag the node and place it inside the Content Container group. Repeat this 2 more times so you have a total of 3 Card Item components. You can see the changes in the preview pane on the right side. Next, we'll adjust the layout. Select the Card Item component nodes. In the Properties panel on the right, under Margin and Padding, set the bottom margin to 16 pixels. Right now, our Card Item component is static. To make it truly reusable, we need to create Component Inputs node so we can pass data to it. This is where components become dynamic. To do this, click the Inputs tab in the Properties panel. Click the plus sign to add a new port. We'll create 5 new ports, 1 for the image, 1 for the background color, 1 for the title, 1 for the category, and 1 for the date. We'll click and drag a connection from the background color port on the Inputs node. We'll select background color from the dropdown. You can see the connection is made. We'll do the same for the image input, connecting it to the source of the image node within the group. Next, the title output. We'll connect it to the text input of the card title text node. We'll connect category to the text output of the category text node. Oops, there's a typo. Let's correct it. And finally, we'll connect the date input to the text output of the date text node. Okay, all our inputs are connected. This means we can now control these properties from any instance of our Card Item component. Go back to the Task Page node graph. Select the second Card Item component node. Click on the Image Input field and select the Study PNG image file. Select the third Card Item component node. Do the same and select the Shopping PNG image file. You can see the changes in the preview pane on the right side. We'll change the background color of the third card. Select the third Card Item component again. Click the Background Color input field and choose a new color from the color picker. Now let's change the background color of the second card. Select the second Card Item component. Click the background color input and choose a different color. And that's it, we've successfully completed the lesson. You're now equipped with one of the most powerful tools in XGENIA. This is the kind of modular thinking that helps us build complex applications with clean, maintainable, and scalable code. Thanks for watching. Get XGENIA for free today at xgenia.ai and start building smarter and faster than ever.